Good morning, guys. Uh, Today, let's talk about natural gas. So, we'll start with the weekly chart. I generally don't trade this counter, but I've been asked to give a view on this, so here it is. All right, so this is the weekly chart of natural gas. Let's see what it's doing. So, you guys can see that it's pretty evident that it's on a downtrend. The price is coming down, it's making lower highs, lower lows. So, let me just make it a little more clear for you. So, as you can see over here, I'm roughly drawing this. Okay, prices are making lower highs, low lows. Okay, so you can see the zigzag pattern. So it's pretty clear on a weekly basis. Uh, this particular counter is negative. All right. So let's get back to the daily chart. Let me just mark levels here, important levels here that I feel that you can. This would be your resistance zone on a weekly basis, and this can be your support on a weekly basis. Let me just write down weekly resistance, weekly support. All right. So just have these levels marked in your chart. So this is the range on the weekly basis, weekly time frame. Okay. So let's get back to daily and see where price is on a daily time frame. So you can see here clearly daily also price is making low highs, low lows. As you can see, it's pretty evident. Right. So just expand the chart. Yeah. Okay. So this is the daily time frame, and you can see prices making lower high, lower lows. And over here, for the first time, we see a break of structure, as in price has gone down and then it's climbed up and it's gone and closed above the last lower high. Okay, so as from here, from the 12th of June, it's been making lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, all the way down to here. And this is the first time, somewhere on the 12th and 11th of August, where it started making a higher high. Okay, now this doesn't mean that the this particular counter is going to move up from here. Okay, it's trying to break the structure over here. Okay, but I still feel the trend is down because on the weekly basis also, as we saw earlier, on the weekly basis the trend is downwards. Okay, so we tried to break, but as you can see, this is the daily resistance. Okay, and if I just mark this and I put a 50 fib here, we generally want price to close above this 50 fib, but it did on the 14th. Okay, but immediately it's gone back down. Okay, let's not gone and close above this resistance over here, and this would be my support. This level here would be my daily support. Daily support, and this is my daily resistance. Sorry. So this is my weekly. Let me just take a boundary over here so we can find easy to differentiate. Okay, so this is our daily. Let me change the color. Make it a little okay, this is our daily resistance. This is our sorry weekly resistance. This is our weekly support. Okay, so I personally would not be looking to take a trade on the long side. Okay, because you know there is this resistance level over here. Okay, so if I want to go long, I would look for price to come down this level to this daily support zone and form a price action here. And then I would, you know, wait for it to come down here, form some sort of a price action, and then I would try to take a long position here. Reason being that you should always go long at your support levels because then your stop losses are small. Okay, if you try to go long over here, okay, at your resistance level, then there's a good chance that price just might go till here and then come crashing down. Okay, so you have lots to lose over here. But over here, at the support level, if you try to go long, even if you go wrong, okay, even if you go wrong, your stop loss is going to be small as compared to here. If you go long over here, just you really going to have a huge stop loss because if you go long here, where your stop loss is going to be, the next logical level is going to be a support level, which is this green zone, your support zone. So that's what. Let's say if you go long somewhere over here, that's like nearly 7%, 6 to 7%. That's crazy, right? And what's your target going to be? Your target is definitely going to be the next high. So for a 6 to 7% risk, you're again looking that's 1:1, right? But if you go long somewhere here at this level, your stop loss is going to be around 3.5%, but your target is going to be around 13, 14, 15%. Get it? So your risk to reward is going to be much better if you try to go long over here. This is a good place to go to take a short trade because you are near at your resistance level. The counter is on a weekly basis on a downtrend. You're on a daily time frame. Price tried to go up, tried to make a high, but it's again closed down below this level. Daily resistance is closed down below 50%. So again, price is showing the tendency of coming down. So I wouldn't be long on this counter. If I was you, I would try to look for trades on the short side. Targets maybe over here, this level, this zone, 169, 170 to 160 levels would be my target zone. And if I want to go long, then I'll wait for price to come somewhere over here. Wait for price action. I would immediately not try to go long. Wait for price to come here, look at price action, and then take a long position. Remember, this is the weekly support, so if price comes here, there's a good chance, maybe this zone could be a good place to look for a long trade. All right, so this is my view on Nashi Gas. I hope it helps you guys out. Cheers.